We will now show you how to replace the door seal on an LG fridge or freezer. So this type of seal is a push-in seal. So you should be able to just pull out the door seal and press a new one back in. You need to start in this top corner, and it can be a bit tricky getting that top corner out. So what we suggest sometimes is just getting a flat-bladed screwdriver just behind that channel there, just so you can get that first part of the corner out. Once you get that part out, the rest of the seal will just slide straight out. Once you've removed the entire door seal, putting it back on is pretty much just as easy. So just grab the new seal that we've sent you. We always start in the corners, so just line up that corner and you simply just press the door seal back into that channel. Just make sure that you've clipped it in properly all the way around. Once you've clipped the door seal in all the way around the channel, that's pretty much it. Just close the door and it should be better than ever. If you do have any small issues, if there's any gaps or anything, once you've put the new seal on, they can be easily fixed if you watch our other videos. If you have any other problems, just leave a comment. Thank you.